Hello my dear students, in today's lesson we're going to talk about the modal verbs. Yes. Let's continue our lesson. Modal verbs must, have to, have got to, may, might, can, could, shall, should, ought to, will, would, needn't, will be. In that case it will be. So, modal verbs say take, know, they take, know, as, in the third person single except for have to and the need. She can swim, but he needs to read the article, yes? We don't use do or does with modal verbs to form negative questions or short answers. They come before the subject in questions and are followed by note in negatives. Modal verbs are followed by infinitive without to and the egg, sorry, I can't. For example, sorry, you cannot, yes, I can come. Modal verbs plus passive voice, will, can, may, must, should, ought to, have to, be, plus verb 3. The machine can be used for cutting bread. Difficult rules must be explained. Okay, they have to be learned by heart, Hello my dear students, in today's lesson we're going to talk about the modal verbs. What is the modal verbs and what kind of modal verbs you can find from these types. For example, will, can, may, must, should, ought to, have to, all of them the modal verbs. Must be plus verb 3. The machine can be used for cutting bread. Difficult rules must be explained. These words don't have to be learned by heart. People in hospitals ought to be visited. We use modal verbs before other verbs to add special meaning to a sentence. May I help you, sir? Why should I throw them? Yes, please. Would you give me 6 fish and could you throw them to me, please? Well, I'm a hopeless fisherman, but I'm not a liar, so no, I can't tell my wife I caught them. Should, may, would, could, can, all of them modal verbs. Special meanings. Modal verbs are used to express ability, способность, умение, possibility, возможность, probability, вероятность, logical assumptions, предположение, permission, разрешение, request, просьба, offers, предложение, suggestions, предложение, advice, совет, criticism, obligation, prohibition, necessity, all the functions of modal verbs, Modal verbs will functions. What kind of functions you can find from the modal verbs? Can, ability, possibility, probability, permissions, requests, offers. Can they? All of them the functions of the modal verbs of the can. Functions of the modal verb can. And the could. Cannot ability, the could. Ability, possibility, probability, permission, requests, offers, and the couldn't will be also ability. May, might is the possibility. Pluses you can see, but probability, permission, made also, might, made also. Can, if you translate into Russian, you can say that мочь быть в состоянии иметь возможность. Can. Could, it is the past form of the can, was, were able to. Can and will be able to, won't be able to is the future form. Can, could, will be able to, ability, возможность, способность. I can read talent, but I can't speak it. John could draw well when he was 4. One day, people were able to go to the wood on holiday. Can could, asking for and giving permission. Can you come and see me tomorrow? Could I borrow your pen? Could you pass the salt, please? Can and possibility, probability. Making offers and requests, offers. Can I carry you back? Could I help you? I could go shopping if you're tired. Waiter, can I have the bill, please? When asking or giving permission or making an offer or request could sound more polite and more formal than can. We're talking close friend. Can I use your textbook? Can you help me with this exercise? You're talking to your teacher, and could I use your textbook, sir? Could you help me with this exercise? Miss, yeah, could be able to manage all of them the same meaning you have. We don't use could to say that we did something one occasion. We use was we able to manage it too, yeah? How many eggs were able to get? After 5 hours trip, we managed to come to the camp. Might. If you translate into Russian, мочь, иметь возможность быть, вероятно, может быть, might, may be allowed to, all of them the same, and might, may, yeah? Possibility, probability, she might be there tomorrow. Where is Emma? She may be shopping. Peter might phone tonight. That's very unlikely. Expressing probability might isn't use the past tense of may. It's used to talk about the smaller chance than may, compare may. Mary may go to London tomorrow, has a 50% chance that she will go to London. We may go to London next Sunday. We have been invited by our friends. May, might be allowed to, asking for, giving or refusing permission. May I put on the telly? Yes, you may. I wonder if I might have a little more cake. No, you may not. They won't be allowed to join us tomorrow. Permission. Asking for permission, yeah? Can I borrow your pen? Can, официально. Could I borrow your pen? Более вежливо, официально. Это could. Could I borrow your pen? May I use your phone? May, официально, yeah? Might I see your driving license, please? Might, более официально. Might I see your driving license? Asking for permission, can it? Can will be in formal form, yeah? May, formal form, might, very formal form of the asking for permission, giving or refusing permission. Can in formal form, giving permission. Could is not used in present or to give permission. May, it's a formal permission, giving permission. Also use it in written notice or follow above suit. Mustn't, can in formal form, refusing permission. May not, formal, refusing permission. Can, could I interrupt you for a second? May I ask you, I speak to the bank manager, please. Can I use your phone? Of course you can. Could I use your phone? Of course you can. Yeah? You could. May I use your phone? Certainly you may. I'm afraid you mustn't enter the room. Rubbish may not be left here. What about talking about the permission? Could be allowed to talk about the future or present. Could to talk about the use. Use it for repeated actions. For example, she could always play at the park after school. Repeated action. The reporter was allowed to take a photo of the posting. Couldn't, wasn't allowed to. Negations or questions for either repeated or single actions, yeah? For example, the foreigner wasn't allowed to go or couldn't enter the country without a visa. Must, mustn't. Must have got to. Yeah? Быть должным, обязанным, вынужденным, что ли. Must we find a hotel to stay at tonight? Должен, необходимо, yeah? Do you have to wear uniform at school? No, we don't. Modal verbs must, have to, should, ought to. Must, have to, will have to, obligation system form. Долженствование, необходимость. I must clean my room. I had to clean my room yesterday. I will have to clean my room tomorrow. Mustn't is a prohibition, запрещение, категорически нельзя. You mustn't watch TV for so long. You mustn't stop here. Probability, вероятность, да, большая степень вероятности. The phone is ringing and it must be Sally. Must have to. You must phone home at once. Вы должны, это важно и срочно. I must stop smoking. Я хочу это сделать. Это мое собственное решение, да? I have to go home at once. I have to stop smoking. This is a lovely party, but it's getting late and we have to go home. You mustn't phone home, no. Категорически нельзя, я вам запрещаю, да? Must you wear all dirty jeans all the time? Must you always interrupt me when I'm speaking? We don't use God forms to talk about habits or something we don't repeatedly. I don't have to do the dishes in the morning. My mother always does them. Oh my, I've got to wash a lot of dirty dishes tonight. Should, ought to. Obligation, moral, duty, advice. Обязанность, мягкие наставления, and совет. You should, ought to see Titanic, it's a great film. Driver should, ought to obey the speed limit. Ability. Ability in the present future. Can, more, usually less formal, be able to. And can type fast. I can pay you next week. I will be able to pay you next week. Was able to. Nature to, ability in the past, yeah, is used for either repeated or single actions. I was able to go on a trip around the city last week. Single action. Could, ability in the past, yeah. Could is more usual than was able to. It's used in statements for repeated actions. However, with the verbs see, hear, and smell, understand, we normally use could for single actions. Ability, could, was able to, can both be used in negations in the questions for either repeated or single actions. She couldn't, wasn't able to pass your driving test. But single actions, were you able to, could get to work every day last week. Requests, offers, and suggestions. Requests, yeah? May I suggest you try on these shoes? With this you can run, play football, tennis, golf, and volleyball. Shall we buy them, Mom? Oh no, let's leave them. Bob, we're just looking for shoes we can walk in. Okay. Then, what about the request? Asking someone to do something, yeah? Can you, the formal request, will you, family, could you, polite request, and the may I, formal request. Would you mind, more polite and the formal than could you? For example, can you help me, please? Will you get me glasses, please? Could you make me some lemonade? May I have a glass of water? May I open the window also? Shall we go to the cinema? We can, could go to the